It's our day 3. So, mag-aalmusal muna kami bago mamasyal. Let's go! So, ito yung room namin. And, saan tayo mag-breakfast? Pakita mo, Jiro.
KFC.
Andun lang yung KFC. Ayun sa baba, si KFC. So, ayan yung name ng hotel na pinagsastayan namin. Na Rodney Stay. So, close up KFC. Tingnan na tayo ng ibang kakainan. So, ito yung view sa tapat ng hotel. And then, ayun yung shopping mall na pinuntahan namin kagabi. So, ayan yung kanilang tram na napaka-cute. O, diba? So, dito kami magbe-breakfast. Try natin. So, let's go. Ganda. Breakfast. Dahil close ang KFC, hindi makaka-breakfast doon ulit. So, ito muna para maiba. Mukhang masarap naman. May omelette. Try na tayo. Na naman po kami ng mga tourist. Lakad-lakad lang. So, that's the rotating head. Pero ngayon hindi pa siya nag-rotate. Marami din nag-aantay na para makita siyang mag-rotate. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Grabe. So, dumadami na ang mga tao. Inaantay nang mag-rotate itong head. Kanina pa unti-unti lang siya nag-rotate. Tingnan natin. Mag-11 o'clock na. Tingnan natin kung mag-rotate siya ng alas 11. Wala pa din.
Antayin natin muna.
And then,
Ulit yun.
that would face there. Ayun, nakatalikod na siya sa atin. Siya dito. Ayan. Ayan na. Oh. Hala. Asan na?
Nakaganyan yung mukha niya.
Paslant. Oh, we're on our way going to the dancing house. Lalakad lang. At malamig. Yan, naglalakad kami sa malamig. It's malamig. So, ayan, yun daw yun yung water tower.
Ayun na yan. Di mo
Saan? The other side, yan yung main exhibition hall. Ayan na ang dancing house. Ang ganda ng architecture. Oh. So, marami din. Isa sa mga tourist spots. Dito. So, ito ang view. Ayun yung pinuntahan natin kahapon. Yung parang Eiffel Tower.
Well, we didn't climb it because someone
Diba?
was scared.
Ang ganda ng view dito. So, dapat magpa-paddle boat kami. Pero checking, it's temporary closed daw. Kasi baka nga, dahil hindi na summer. Lakad na lang kami. Tingin kami doon sa playground. Every area or corner talaga dito. Ma-amaze ka sa architecture. So, that is what they call the Coffin Palace.
Yun na yun, di ba? Yung paddle boat.
So, ayan. Open pala ang paddle boat. So, excited. Yung mga excited. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Ay, ayan o. Tingnan natin kung...
robot.
Wait.
I'll steer and
How much? Hindi nakalagay yung price. So, let's go.
What? Ikaw mag-i-steer?
no, that's a robot.
1 hour.
The car.
1 hour. Which one? The car?
Yeah.
The car. Yeah.
I'm gonna need one piece of ID, please.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ah.
Around where you hide the book, go out
Yep. But you cannot cross the green and also get close to the line. So,
I was there to look at.
Oh, huwag niyong babanggain yung mga nandoon, ha? Dog. Ah. Sige na, drive na kayo. Ayan, nakuha po nila ang gusto nila. Yan yung, mababangga tayo sa kanila.
yeah, that's
Yeah, that's it.
Hindi, ito is yun.
Yeah, ito is yun. Ito yun.
So, ito yung view namin habang nagpa-paddle boat sila. Ayan.
So, yellow, diba? Those are the points.
Nasaan na tayo?
Hi, mga ducks! Hello, ducks! Tapos biglang tinuka yung ano.
Yeah, he has to move before you actually run over. You almost ran over the. Come on.
Does it
Ang dami ng mga ducks na nasa
yeah,
likod.
yeah. Hello. Look at it. Cute. Hello. There, look. They're following us. Mommy, look.
Yeah.
Look at there. They're following us.
How long do you think they're gonna follow us?
Beaver.
I cannot zoom it there.
Beavers.
Stop.
Yep.
Yo, reverse ka ng konti.
Yeah. Beavers. Look at them.
They're so cute.
First time natin yun, di ba?
Yeah.
A beaver.
He's really watching you.
Oh, cute beaver.
We're going 50 miles per hour. That's the current speed limit right now. Never mind, I'm going now 100 kilometers. Yep, that's what I told Kyle. Same one. It's the same one. It's the same one. It's the same one. Yo, those are filming. They're filming a TikTok. We gotta go crash it.
No, don't.
Yeah, then how? We can't even avoid it, bro. I still have it. Did you just hit a duck? What's that bump? Did you just hit a duck? Then what's that bump? Did you also feel that bump, right? Oh. Okay, I'm done now. You want to see me drift this? Can you drift? Let's go. Drift.
Okay, go.
So they found new friends here, the beavers.
Let me keep them.
Ayan, mga beavers. Wala capybara daw, sabi ni Jiro. Jiro, nag-smell ka niya. Hala, hindi naligo tong mga to. Sana smells bad sila. Yun na. Yeah, punta na siya dito. Magja-jump yan dito. How was it? Dam! With the paddle boat. It's malamig. This is the Bethlehem Chapel. Can you get inside there? That's the hanging man is Sigmund Freud. I-zoom natin siya para makita. Ayan. So he was sculpted by David Henry and depicts the struggle between life and death. Ayan. Nasa kalagitnaan siya ng street. Look, there's a chocolate art museum.
Nope.
Very nice. Kuya, saan tayo? That's the beer museum. So that's their beer museum. This is the Prague's Municipal Hall. Yun naman yung Municipal Library. And on this side is the National Library of the Czech Republic. Yan. Let's go inside their public library to see the book tower. Ayan, marami ng pila. So, pipila tayo dito sa public library to see the book tower.
Hindi ba yun mahulog o nakaglue sila?
They are glued. Ayan yung sa book tower.
Just this and then the surface is glass. Because it just... No.
So, malapit na kami sa pila. Diba, mga isang oras na ata yung pinila. So, ito na ang hundreds of books with mirror inside.
Sa taas na.
Wait lang.
And just a few pictures.
Ang tagal na inantay namin.
Come on,
Mga
kain
isang
na.
oras na. Ayun, marami mo nakapila doon. So,
Alicia
let's
Stone.
eat na. Natawid tayo. Dahil sa mahabang pila namin doon, nagutom. Yung mga nagutom. Nandito kami kakain dahil gusto nila ng carbonara. Ayun, oh, may carbonara, oh.
Pwede sa loob.
Oo, sa loob tayo. Okay, let's eat. Dito tayo. Okay. Yan ang request ng carbonara sa Jiro. Basta na may dahil gusto ni Jiro ng carbonara, so naghanap kami ng Italian restaurant. So, ayun. Sana maubos nila, di ba? So, ayan. Lasagna for Kuya and for Jiro is the carbonara. Masarap, Jiro? And for me, it's coffee and tiramisu. Yeah, how about it, Jiro?
Delicious.
How about you, Kuya? So, ito yung tinatawag na Old Town Square. Diba? Napakaganda ng view. Ito yung Kinsky Palace. Yung tinatawag nila. Tapos may statue dito sa gitna. Oh, let's turn! Let's turn! Follow! Okay. So, ito na. Papunta na tayo dun sa astronomical clock na sikat dito. Nakikita niyo naman, di ba? Ang daming tao nag-aabang para basta gumagalaw yung clock. So, papunta na kami nga sa clock. Ito na. Oh, ang daming nag-aabang para gumalaw yung clock. Ito na yon. So, that's the clock. Yung isa sa mga famous dito sa Prague. So, that one, the astronomical dial, it represents Earth.
Hindi mo ba?
So, it represents, the astronomical dial represents Earth and sky for the position of the sun and moon. Ayan. So, meron din siya mga figures dyan na gagalaw mamaya. Zoom na natin. So, meron, ayun o.
Que no. Que lleva las llaves en el cielo.
Ayun yung mga 12 apostles na gumagalaw doon sa taas. Same nung nagalaw dun sa ano, sa clock. Yun, oh. Meron din sila dyan projector. Ay, nag-close na din siya, oh. Galing. Kapitan. So, ayan.
Now,
Mga busog na sila. Ay, not yet busog. Oh, hanap tayo ng may pomes mamaya. Hindi ko pala busog. Ayun nga, no. Massage nga, ha. Same. Kung ano man pronunciation, hindi ko masyadong sure.
Wait lang, hindi ba yan?
Oh, meron din silang finest Belgian chocolates dito.
Yung market.
Yung mga gallery of steel figures. Tingnan nga natin. Ah, nice. Look, oh. Ang galing. Yung minions, oh. Ang cute. Steel Art Museum, yung nasa loob.
Kailangan mo magbayad.
Oo, may bayad dyan. Dito na tayo sa labas. Ito, oh. Tapos itong motor. Ay, wow. Ang galing. Ito mo, kadena siya lahat, oh. Nice. Ayun yung mall na famous. Ang laki niya, ha. Giant Mall. Flex Toys. Ayun yung mall.
Can we go check?
Tapos ito, oh. Dito na lang tayo sa labas mag-check. Ayan, oh. Nice. Ay, ang cute itong mga ano nila, oh. Ay, ito, oh. Clocks.
Ang cute, tapos sasabihin niya nakakatakot niya. Hindi yung
Ganyan, hindi yung ano.
Hindi pwede ba yan?
Ayan yung powder tower. Tapos makikita nyo, ayan o, yung Prague Old Car. Ginagamit nila yan pang tour. Siyempre may bayad. I-rent mo yung car, gano'n. Yung kabilang side ng powder tower. That's the toy store. Look. Look, Ghostbusters. Ah, look. Wow. Look. Jiro, picture ka dito? Na? Okay. So kitty, oh. Wow. Nice. Ay, wow, there's a slide. You want to slide? Yeah.
Nakakatakot yan.
Ha?
Ay,
There, Jiro. Jiro, come here. There, oh. Picture kita dyan. What, Jiro? Jiro, look, other friends. You're here. Jiro, you sit there. Jiro. Try it, Jiro. Again, the ball.
flying saucer. Look. Look, ah.
Ang cute. Ay, ito pwede mag-play.
Uy, parang time zone dito.
Oo, ayun o. Ay.
Yung purong ganyan.
Ah.
Do you know this? Look. Oh yeah, can you play? Can you play? Come on.
What are you doing? Red. Orange. There. Yay! You won the game! Oh, one more. Yay! Ano yan? Minecraft. Ayun o, Pokeball. How was it?
The colors were the same.
How was it?
Yung blue tas
Napag-
purple.
Nice.
Tapang bunot lang ito. Shit, diba?
So, eto naman siya sa gabi. Sinulit na natin kasi tomorrow ay uwi na nga tayo.
Yun, mas maganda na
Ayan,
yung
oh, naka-light. Maganda nga siya dahil marami ng ilaw. Ayan, maganda
I
siya
can't like
paggabi kasi nga yung mga ilaw.
call.
Maganda siyang tignan.
Okay ka na.
Ayun, yung lumalabas din yung mga apostles dun sa window.
Sila yon yung
Yung apostles,
yung
yung
mga
kanina.
yung nasa tape.
Ayan, pabalik na kami ng aming hotel at mag-dinner daw sa KFC.
Right. It's yung same thing din lang ni Kyle. Di ba yung na logo na yan?
Information man kasi yan. So, ito, ang ganda ng mga buildings, pati yung mga color, sa kahit umaga at gabi. Nakaka-amaze talaga bawat corner dito. I love it!
Come on, because we can watch the next episode of Yun, the show.
Ariana
Grande.
Ah, diba? Sweet corner. Ay, akala ko sweet corn. Sweet corner pala. So, eto, madami pa rin tao kahit gabi na. Fat Cat Beer House. You want here to eat? Look, oh, it's moving like dun sa Hong Kong, you know? Jiro, there, oh, Jiro. There's the ramen moving, oh. So it says there parang best beer. Pilsener, restaurant. Saan? Dito? Diretso, So, eto na yung mall. Merong bar dun sa taas. Ayun.
Which means
Hindi gumagalaw siya pati yung LEC.
what do you mean LC?
So, eto, pabalik na ng hotel at kakain daw sa KFC. Hoping na open kasi kanina umaga it's closed because of technical error. Last day na, KFC pa din. So, let's interview Jiro. How was it? How's the KFC here? Okay.
Very good.
And you compare how many KFCs you've been, which countries? Which do you think is the best so far?
Amsterdam.
Have you tried a KFC there?
Yeah.
Why?
I like the flavor of the chicken.
Okay, Amsterdam ang nagwagi. Akala ko dito. Okay, how about the fries?
Philippines.
Okay, thanks. That's it. A short interview for the KFC. So, ayan, last day na namin. Ganyan mo na ang view. So, ayan ang mall. I match. Which one?
Just go check it out.
Okay.
Fine. This one, look.
Kaya lang siya. Titingnan mo lang mga
Yeah.
bricks lang. But we have maleta.
Just break.
Mamaya pang 2:30 yung sa train namin. So ito, lalakad-lakad lang kami. Going to the train at yung maladaanan namin. Ayan yung view habang naglalakad kami papunta sa train station. Ang ayos ng building. Ito na tayo. Napakaganda rin talaga ng weather. Oh, Sana ganito din pagbalik namin ng Germany, ang weather. Dito lang kami sa gitna. Ayan, ayun yung National Museum nila. Puntahan natin ang malapitan. Ito yung bilhan nila ng store, toy store dito. Sparky's yung name. You get inside na. I'll wait for you here.
Hello to a new video. Today I'm gonna try to trick my mom into buying me something. Hopefully it works. Hopefully. Malls. Those. Ready? Dito. Come. Yeah, my favorite section. Oh, just here. What's that? Secret video for restaurant. Yeah. You can see it way more closely. Three or more. Discuss. So technically, wait here. Wait. Which one's this?
Di ba meron kami ganyan yung white pen niya? Ayun naman, nadak ko ba?
Key.
Technique naman yan.
Yan mali ito.
Ayun sa baba. Ito nga, tingnan mo yan. Tinignan ko na ba?
Here ba?
Hindi, more speed.
Yeah, I did.
Mas maganda yung compare mo naman dyan.
Kasi yan, it's just one mali.
Tapos hindi mo na technique. Yun ang technique na lang.
I managed to make my mom buy me this. Very cool.
Yan nyo naman yung mga streets dito. Yung mga buildings. Ay, napakaganda. Ayan, ah. Ayan.
And what
do you call
a floor that's going up? What do you...
Usong ganito dito. May mga flavor. Ayan, may construction going on lang. Ayan yung kanilang National Museum.
Isn't that?
Too tired to climb the stairs.
Pumunta kami dito sa part na to kasi mandaming construction para makita ng mas maayos. Tapos ito yung from the inakyat namin kanina. Diba? Napaka... Ayan na yun. I-zoom natin. Ayan yung view.
Na.
Ang gaganda ng mga buildings.
Pag nandito ka nakatayo, tapos kasi may mga building.
Sa harapan ng National Museum ay ang statue ni Saint Wenceslas. So, ito siya. That's the Narodny Museum. Tingnan natin ang malapitan. Sundan natin si Jiro. Ayan. Dito tayo. Lakad-lakad lang. Buti maganda talaga ang weather. Yan niya. Ano yan? Ah, yan ganda. Can you give me water?
Man. Oh yeah, in here.
We got tired from walking. Ay, there's food. You like food?
I like Lego though.
So, dito na kami sa loob ng train station. Ano yan? Wow.
Oh, can we go to Hub?
Where? Mga ano lang yan, parang 7-Eleven lang.
Look at that.
So, ito ang aming Burger King food. Baka na ng drinks mo, Jiro.
Ba dito, di ba?
Delay naman ang train namin. Pauwi na.
To look for the advanced calendar.
So, let's eat first sa Popeyes. So, first time na mag-Popeyes. Nila Jiro and Kuya.
Yung sweet di ba?
Masarap yung fries. Ha? Nice. Sige. Oh. Pwede i-swipe nyo. Parang time zone lang yan, di ba? Try it. 200 tickets.
Saan mo? Dito? Middle. Try.
Wag mo na.
This is my second try lang. Zero? Yun na?
Ah, how many? So, dami ng tickets. Ah. Ilan? 5. Dapat ganyan yung ginawa kanina. You look up here. Look up here. Game. Ah.
Oh, you're not friends.
Halos nalaro nyo naman na din eh, di ba?
Exactly.
Skateboard.
It's not enough. Never mind.
What?
It's just the yo-yo.
Look, pa-show. What they got. Let's go. We're done playing. How was it? Jiro, how was it, Kuya? How was it,
Very
Kuya?
nice. Very nice. Yeah.
How about Kuya?
Very expensive.
But you enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay.